welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own lamp oil for your Lampe Berger. So as you are well aware that the lamp oil that comes with your Lampe Berger actually is quite expensive and is quite overpowering as well. And if you're not into that overpowering scent, this might be for you. Now, I found my lamp at a secondhand store and I could tell that it was never been used before. So the wick was there, everything was there that needed to be there. The only thing that wasn't there was any lamp oil. Now I keep my wick in a container of just plain alcohol, and it's rubbing alcohol really. It's a 91% rubbing alcohol, and the reason I do this is because it will remove all the oils that I've used with this lamp, and it keeps the wicks nice and moist. So I've removed the top off of the lamp, and you're going to need a funnel for this and alcohol really, and some essential oils. Make sure that the alcohol is at least 91% or higher. The more pure the alcohol, the better burning you're going to get. So now you're going to fill up your lamp 3/4 of the way full. You don't want to fill it up too high because it affects the burning of the wick. This is also another reason why I keep my wick in a separate container with alcohol, because this way, if I'm putting in a dry wick, it's going to absorb all the alcohol that I just put into that lamp. So now I'm going to choose my essential oils, and that is another reason why I keep my wick in a container of alcohol, because every time I use this lamp, I change my mind as to what essential oil I want to use. So this way I'm starting off with a fresh slate and I don't get the scent off of something else that I've burnt previous to this time. So today I'm going to have sandalwood, some vanilla, and some lavender. Now the amounts that you're going to use is personal preference. I like to have it fairly strong, but not as strong as the store-bought product that you can get. So I have about, I believe it was about 25 to 30 drops of lavender. I have about 15 drops of sandalwood, and then I added about 5 or 10 drops of the vanilla. So now all you have to do is feed your wick into your lamp, and then you're going to add your tops. Now, if you've made this ahead of time, you want to and you're not going to burn it right away, make sure that you put on the little cap as opposed to just the big one. If you put the little one on, then it's going to save your alcohol, and you can just have it on your table or your armoire, wherever you happen to place your lamp. At least then the alcohol won't be evaporating. So now to light your lamp, you're going to remove your caps, and then you're going to light the ceramic part of the wick, and you're going to let the alcohol burn off as much as you can, or until it stops flickering and the ceramic is white. And what this also does is it will burn off any essential oils that you might have used previously, or if your wick happens to get a little gummy, this will help burn it off as well. Once the flame has gone down, you will blow it out, and then you're going to put your caps back on again, or at least the large cap, so that you can get the aroma from your lamp. Place it anywhere in your home, and then remember, once you're done, because you only need to burn them for about 20 minutes or so, make sure that you put your little cap back on again so that the alcohol in your lamp doesn't evaporate. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.